What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I took a little break from YouTube. I went on vacation and just a little mental break as well. But I sold a bunch of stuff, but I also picked up a bunch of recent stuff. So just bear with me. I'm gonna get it back in the swing of things here. So thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna get right into it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of sneakers right here. 2 of them are repeats because I hit for me and for my wife. But let's get right into it, guys, without any further ado. I didn't have any Kobe sneakers in my collection, so I had to do the right thing and get me a pair of Kobe's. I got the Kobe 5 Protos right here, the Lakers colorway, really clean, icy sole right there. And I tried them on, but they're a little tight on me, but really needed a pair of Kobe's. I might sell these and get me a 9.5 in these and just ball in them. But yeah, these, it's only right that I put them right here. I left a little space right here to put them above the Kobe poster. So those go right there, perfect right there above the Kobe poster. Get rid of this box real quick. This next sneaker is actually an early in hand review, not even a review. You guys know this is the 3rd time this shoe is retroed. It is the cool gray 11s, you guys. I got the shock drop, so you got the silver Jumpman right there. The high cut on the patent leather looks really nice. The white laces pop on the all gray upper right there, and just, you know, another icy sole right there. Love these cool grays right here. I never hit in the past on these, and so I'm really happy to add these to my 11s collection with the Bred and the Concords. Hopefully I'm gonna pick up the Space Jams one of these days, because I had them in the past but they got trashed and I trashed them. So there goes the cool gray 11s right there, and hopefully I'm gonna cop another pair of these when they actually come out, because I really want to give a pair of these away. I gave away a pair of Jubilees last year and I want to give away another pair of these. So stay tuned, you guys. If I get my hands on another pair, I'm gonna give it back to you guys. So here's another shoe right here that I needed in the collection for a personal. It is the Bred 4s right here. I've had these shoes on the channel before, but they weren't my size. These are a dead stock pair, and I kind of, on some I went 9.5, on some I went 9, because sometimes the smaller sizes fit me on certain silhouettes. But Bred 4s, you guys, classic colorway. I definitely needed these in the collection for a personal, so definitely gonna be rocking these, busting these out one of these days. Love these shoes. Just a staple shoe to have if you're a sneakerhead. This next one right here is oh yeah, another shoe that I really wanted in the collection, and I didn't have, and it looks a little banged up, it looks a little dirty, but it's the Bred Jordan 1, you guys. Got it off of StockX right here. Both lace bags are right here attached. Yeah, just Bred ones, you guys, you can't go wrong. I got the Bred satin ones, but these things are ridiculously expensive, and I can't see myself wearing these ever. It's just one of those shoes that is probably just gonna be, you know, chilling there forever unless it sells. But yeah, Bred ones, you guys, really, it's not the best leather, but it's a Bred one, you guys. Just another staple in the sneaker game that you have to have in order, you know, to really, you know, if you call yourself a sneakerhead, you gotta have, you know, the Bred 4s, the Bred 1s. You get what I mean. But here go the StockX receipt right there. Next shoe, you guys, another staple. If you're a sneakerhead, you have to have these, and I had to purchase these in my size. It is the white cement 4s, you guys. Nike Air on the back. This was the 2016 release. Just pretty shoe, you guys. Yeah, I'll bust these out one day eventually. I don't know. Maybe I'll space them out, because I got some really dope stuff. I sold a lot of stuff too, if you guys can't tell, but I still got some crazy stuff as well over here, right here. But here goes with the repeat shoe. I got 6.5 grade school, which is a 8 women's for Bay right here, so we can match. Really clean Jordan 11 cool grays. Throw this on the bottom here. I hit these on Sneakers app right here. Taxi 12s, whatever, you know, royalty 12s. So really like these extra laces right here. I think the white laces would look a lot better. But yeah, I really like the gold hits on the side. Carbon fiber on the bottom there, like they always do with the Jordans 23 on the back. But yeah, really clean. I didn't have any 12s in the collection either, and I'm probably gonna hold on to these just because it's really clean, and black and white goes with everything. And last shoe, you guys, another staple in my opinion. You can probably argue this over the Breds, but in my opinion, the Breds are better. But I had to have them, and it is the Jordan 1 Royal. You guys, check it out right here. Lace back still attached. Royal toe box right there. Royal back, blue bottom, royal bottom, whatever you want to call it. But that's everything, you guys. Really excited to pick all these up. The Bred ones, the Bred 4s, the white cement 4s, the Royal ones right here, all from StockX. The cool gray 11s, both from Sneakers. The Taxi, the Royalties, whatever, are from Sneakers. And then the Kobe's I got from Soul Steals. Really good deal on those. Got more sneakers on the way, you guys, and I have, stay tuned for like the next video maybe, because I have a shoe that is the biggest purchase I have ever made on this channel for a single pair of shoes, you guys. I sold a chunk of my collection so I could buy these shoes, and I don't know if I'll ever wear them, but it's something that I just really wanted. It wasn't a need, none of this is needed, but something I really wanted. But long story short, stay tuned for that shoe, you guys. I'm really excited to share that with you. Really glad to be uploading again. If you guys have been watching up until now, you know, I apologize for not posting, but you know, hopefully I'll be doing it on a consistent basis again. Thanks again for rocking with me. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Peace.